welcome back to our channel. Actually, I have coffee and then Bonbon, he had ano sa man Bon? French fries. Happy?
Happy.
Ano sa isalte?
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Yummy, yummy. Actually, it's already 4:31 here, guys. Later, guys, we're gonna buy a purple yum. Look at me. I'm sweating a lot, guys. It's because very hot. No? I just been. Guys, we are going to Poblacion and we will buy a purple yum. Look at my face. There you go. We are here at Purple Yum. Homemade cakes and pastries. Actually, I think it's already 1:40 brunch. Whole entire in the Philippines, and here we go. This is how it's looking in Hinunangan. I'm with Bunbun. Happy Bun? So well, anyway, this is how it's looking. Thank you so much. So yeah. Here in the Philippines, 140 stores of Purple Yum. So, by the way, thank you Lord God for all the blessing. Without you, God, dili ni mahitabo. So, tingnan nyo naman. Ang ganda ng pagkalaso nito. Oh, mali pa naman ang... Well, anyway, yan. Mali daw pag ano, pero sakto pala. Si Diday lang mali pagkahila. Wow, look at it. So, actually... Sireng, ang nilagay ko guys is thank you Lord for all the instrument. Purple Yum Hinunangan. Guys, I got emotional. What the heck? Instead that I'm going to eat the Purple Yum cake, I'm just keep staring the cake and then thinking my dad, thinking all my loved ones, thinking everything, guys. Thinking everything what happened to me, like, you know. Basta, guys, I'm just very grateful. Like, I realize right. So, look at this. Look at this. Let's eat, guys, ha. Yummy. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much.